On this project, we used a few sensors. One of the sensors that we used was a Delta T soil moisture sensor. We used these sensors at a certain depth. Our target was the root zone. These sensors are very accurate. They give us really good insight data of how the soil holds the water, how fast the water penetrates the different layers of the profile, and also how long the soil holds the moisture. Our second instrument was a traditional flow meter. We attached it to the main water line. We measured how much water was applied on the whole line. We took that and we added the trees, so we came up with the water per gallon per tree. Our second sensor that we use in this project is a sap flow sensor. This sap flow sensor, it's a temperature sensor. We apply a voltage, a temperature on the area that we're working on. Most of the time it's underneath the leaf on the main stem of the tree. The way it works, as sap flow travels up with the evapotranspiration, we measure how much sap flow goes through. The sensor shoots it to our system. The system tells us how much gallons the tree uses per day, per hour, per week. That way we know exactly how efficient the irrigation or how the tree reacts to the irrigation temperature swings. All these sensors are attached to our weather station. Our weather station, it's a micro weather station that records all the parameters in the field. It also has 4 infrared temperature. This sensor records the temperature on the leaf, on the canopy of the tree. Once it triggers our data trigger point, it shoots the temperature reading to our WSU controller. The WSU controller turns on the foggers to cool down the tree. The way the sensors tie up to our dashboard, this is our mobile dashboard. All these gauges represent our sensors that are in the field. This is our VPD gauge, our KC, sap flow. We could tell that yesterday the trees were transpiring or using half a gallon. So this is our total sap flow for the day, for 3 days, for the past 3 days. This is just a visualization of how the sensors are applied to the plant. Sap flow, a dendrometer that we used to measure the swellingness of the trunk, and also we used a dendrometer on apples, on the actual crop, to measure the growth, how fast the apple is growing. We do have a target for growth. Once it reaches the target, then the sap flow, the dendrometer tells us where we at. It's mainly at the end of the season. Our last year conclusion was on our automated system, we saved 52% water reduction and 21% puck out for the end of the last year.